In this video, we'll see how we can add products and create category or collection in Shopify. First, log into admin dashboard of Shopify. Here you can see in products. Now first what we'll do, we will create a product. Go on product, click on add new. Here title, description that you want to show on your website. Now here you can upload images or select existing as per your requirement. Okay, now here that will be the price and compare to price. Like price will be shown and compare to price will be 150. It's like MRP is compared to price, like if MRP is 150 but I'm selling for 100 rupees. I'm giving 15 rupees discount. Now if you want to charge text, then enable it, otherwise disable this. Okay, charge per leave it. Now if you want to track quantity, like how many quantity do you have, like currently I have 10 quantity. If someone purchase this product, automatically it will be reduced to 9. So if you want to manage that quantity, you can enable it. If you don't want the quantity feature, like there will be unlimited product, then you just remove the quantity feature. If you want to, just enable and write the quantity that is available. Okay, you need to update in future if your product go out of stock. Here you can see continue selling when out of stock, like if quantity goes to 0 still, if you want to sell the product, then enable this feature, otherwise leave it. So this feature is only for if you enable track quantity. If you want to give SKU, stock keeping unit, like it is a unique code that will be given, something like many product had different, you can give to it. Okay, now this is physical product. If you want to give weight, you can give it here. This is a simple product. This is a simple product, like there are two type of product, simple and variation. In variation, you can give size, color, type of option, and in simple product there will be no option. So we have currently added simple product. Now here you can add product type, or if you want to add, otherwise leave it, that's no issue. Vendor will be, you can select, or it will be directly selected. Collection is a type of category that you have created. I will show you how to add collection or create collection. Okay, tags you can give that you can use in future. I will show you, like I've add a tag for C tag, something like that. I have created dummy tag, or you can add the tag for SEO purpose, like that. So this is a default product, simple product. It's not a variation. I have saved it. I have created the simple product. Now what I will do, I will create a variation. Okay, variation product. Here same feature, description, anything you can write. Images will be here. Pricing. For now, leave the pricing because we will create variation and then we will update pricing in it. Okay, everything is same. Everything will be same here. Variation. Now here click on custom variation. You can create size variation like small, medium, and or if you want to create another variation like color, you can also create the color. Okay, here you can see all the variation is created here, so you can manage from here. Save. Here you can see 4 variation of this product is created. Now we will update them. To click on it, click on bulk edit, select. Now from here, columns, you can select which columns you want to show here, and you can select this product and change for a requirement. If you want to change different pricing for different variation, you can set from here. You can also update stock or any feature of different variation you can manage from here. If you want to add images, different images for different variation, you can upload your images of each variation here. For that one, you can create a variation product. I will show you how it will look. Here you can see large, medium, black, gray variation I have created. Now I want to add collection. How collection will work? I will go to collection. It's a type of category. Okay, custom collection. There are two options in collection. Either you can manually select product one by one. Like I have selected manual. What I can do, I can browse product and select one by one. And second option is auto collection. Here you can give a condition, product will be automatically added, like product tag, product title, like product title contains shirt, then it must be added to this collection. Product category you can set, product weight you can set, product price. There are multiple options you can set. Mostly used is a product tag. Okay, here C tag. Type create added a tag C tag in product. You can see that product is automatically added in that collection. Now you can view that collection. It's like a category. All product inside that collection will be shown. So that's how you can add product or and create collection in your Shopify website. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.